Hello and welcome, my dear friends, to another episode of Cooking with Brightsider. And today we're not going to cook giraffe. No, we're going to cook a freaking paella, huh? But it's not a real Spanish paella because we don't have the right pan and no fireplace and stuff. So let's call it fake paella, okay? This is how you make a fake paella, and you're going to need a lot of stuff for your fake paella. Where shall we start? You're going to need tomato paste, bouillon cubes, peas, a lemon, and a lighter lemon. Onion. You're going to need some garlic as well to get rid of vampires and stuff. You're also going to need some saffron, bell pepper powder, as well as a big bell pepper. It has to be a red bell pepper. You're not allowed to use a green nor a yellow one. Blue is okay though. Salt and pepper. Salmon. And you're also going to want to use some squid as well. Huh? King prawns or king prawns? King this dead fish. King size. And also the not king size. Peasant size shrimps. You may also use mussels, but we don't like mussels, so we skip them. And you're also going to need some sunflower oil. And now to the process. First, you cut the onion. Every good dish starts with some tears. And this is how you cut an onion. Next, you're going to slice your bell pepper. And you cut it just like this. Just use as much bell pepper as you like. As you can see, those two pals are almost the same size. Coincidence? Next, you pour some of your oil into your fake pan. Then, you wait for the oil to heat up or for the pan to become warm. Let's see. What the? As soon as your pan is ready, you insert the onions into the pan. Hey, listen to that sound. And then you squeeze the garlic and add it to your pan. Squeeze some more garlic. Add it to your not quite finished yet paella. Next, you insert your bell pepper. And then you stir it up. Amazing. Red and white and red and white and red and white and red and white and black and red and white and black and red and white and black and brown. Next, you add some rice. You measure that rice, a cup full of rice, and then you just put the rice into your pan. And next, you just add your tomato paste, I suppose. Just a lot of it. Yeah, come on, add some tomato paste. Do exactly like we do. Because what do those Spanish people know? Nada. Next, you're going to insert some of your bell pepper powder. Measurements? No. In the end, your paella should be reddish. After you've inserted your 1.5 cups full of dry rice, you now insert water. 3 cups of water. Now we have some measurements for you. To make your paella soup, you add twice as much water as you had rice cups. And now you insert your saffron. How much of it? 1 bag of it. 0.12 grams of saffron. Look at your delicious paella soup. Now you're going to insert your peas. And now you insert your bouillon cube. If you're asking yourselves why I'm pronouncing bouillon cube like I do, it's because Google Translator told me that it's called like that. So bouillon cube, you just breathe it. Bouillon cube into the soup. Cat licking it. Amazing. Next, you get your pepper and then you insert some of it like this. And then you stir it up again, cause that's how it's done. Now, get your squid and slice that piece of squid apart, just like this, so you have squid rings, cause that's what you wanna have, squid rings, exactly like that. And yeah, come on, cut it. Yes, amazing work. Squid ring. What the? That was not great. You just cut this one once, so why did you do that? That's not how it's done. You have to cut it at least 3 times, so it's good. So I've just been told that this is actually called calamari. Next, you get your salmon out of your fish tank and then you cut it. Look at this precise work. This is how you cut salmon. Seems as if the cook was a bit nervous because I'm filming and stuff. You have to use every single piece of meat because otherwise your salmon has died a useless death, which would be quite awful if you think about it. What did this poor fish do to us to deserve this kind of fate? Did it have a family? Probably. But what's for certain is that this fish is going to land in our tummy, because nobody likes skin in his or her paella. But you don't have to use salmon out of your fish tank. You can also buy salmon, or you don't even have to use salmon at all. You could use whatever fish you like. You could even use guppies or sharks or dolphins. In the meantime, our soup has transformed and now looks like this. Now you just wait for the water to disappear, for the water to become steam, so your paella becomes a paella. Wait for the soup to vanish. As you can see, in the meantime your paella should be not so soup-like anymore. As soon as the rice is almost well done, or cooked pretty well, you may then add the fish, the calamari, and then you stir it up. Next, you insert your shrimps. Just like that. No need to be gentle anymore because they're dead already. Oh, by the way, now you insert your salmon. Look at how colorful this whole stuff is. And now for the most important ingredient, add the king. Maybe add some more kings, because one king is not enough. Let's just call those fellas kings. Add some kings and then you just place them like that, like a little flower. Now you close your pan. Fake seafood paella. Wah 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 wah. Fish swimming around in there. Fake seafood paella. Now remove the top and check the consistency. If it's not right, then you close the pan again. Fake seafood paella. Red and green and bald. Remove the cover again. Is the meat well done? Or is it raw? You always have to look out for that. Raw or well done. By the way, 15 minutes have passed. Still not ready, as I suppose. And red and white and black and brown and green. Yeah. Okay then. So now 20 minutes have passed. Your paella should be ready by now. You turn off your stove and you remove the pan from the hot one. And then you wait for 10 minutes. Now your paella is finished. Look at how juicy it is. Look at the calamari squid. Look at the onion pieces. Look at the sauce. Amazing! And also, your shrimps are going to shrink, which is kind of normal. So, now you know how to make a fake seafood paella. In the original paella, you would now put some lemon pieces on top and yeah, let's put it onto a plate. And this, my friends, is how you make a fake seafood paella. Looks pretty decent though. Fake seafood paella. Wow, 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 wow. Fish swimming around in there. Fake seafood paella.